Innovative vacuum suction grabbing technology for garment automation. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Vacuum suction technology, usually found in automation systems, is widely used in various applications due to its simplicity, reliability, and adaptability to different types of air-impermeable fabric surfaces. Automatic handling of flexible materials has been the subject of much research over the last 20 years, with most applications being in the textile industry. Several gripping devices have been developed to grasp a single layer of fabric from a pile of fabric and transfer it to a predefined location. The pneumatic principle uses vacuum or differential pressure as the operating principle, making them non-intrusive. The primary goal of this study was to design a vacuum suction gripper and establish its design parameters for pocket welting operations in apparel manufacturing. This research showcases the innovative application of vacuum suction technology in grabbing techniques, revolutionizing the handling and manipulation of various fabric materials across different garment industries. The paper delves into the working principles of vacuum suction, detailing its various components and the underlying physics. Moreover, it explores the diverse applications of vacuum suction in the garment industry, particularly in automation. Additionally, the study addresses the challenges and limitations of vacuum suction technology. Compared to traditional methods, vacuum suction, being non-intrusive and non-invasive, offers several advantages. It is particularly beneficial when dealing with soft woven fabrics and air-impermeable materials, ensuring gentle handling. Notably, there is success in grasping the fabric piece from one location to another location as provided by the solution of the robotic pick and further advancing automation in garment manufacturing. This study also suggests potential areas for further research and development. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.